Welcome to Drones vs. Robos, where rivalry meets revelation. This isn't just a tech challenge, it's a journey into collaboration, innovation, and inspiring the next generation. In a world divided by machines, you must unite to rise. Your team splits into two dynamic tech clans, drone designers and robo engineers. Each side will dive deep into design, coding, and assembly to create high-functioning tech marvels. Will your bot defend with precision, or your drone soar with agility? The future is in your hands. Now, the real test begins. Enter high-stakes challenges where drones and robots must sync, strategize, and solve puzzles together. Think obstacle runs, rescue missions, and futuristic races. When rivalry fades, real innovation takes flight. Every move counts. Every second challenges your synergy. This is where technology meets teamwork, and legends are born. Cap it off with a gesture that matters. Gift your tech creations to young learners from under-resourced communities. Watch as curiosity sparks and dreams take root. Your passion becomes their possibility. Drones vs. Robos is more than a team activity. It's a powerful blend of tech, teamwork, and transformation. Leave with unforgettable memories and the joy of igniting young minds with wonder.